In this video, we'll guide how to create and manage tests. Begin by navigating to the Activity menu within the Roombr platform. Select the Test tab within the Activity menu. Here, you'll find a list of all the created tests. To create a new test, click on the plus icon located within the Test tab. You will be redirected to a page where you need to provide the details for the test. Start by giving a title to the test. Next, decide whether the test will have a time limit or not. For time-bound tests, specify the duration within which the test must be completed. You can provide instructions for the test if needed. Now, create questions for the test one by one. Roombr allows you to create multiple choice, multi-select, short answer, and descriptive type questions. For multiple choice questions, you can add up to 7 choices and specify the correct answer. Assign marks to each question and mark them as mandatory if necessary. Click on the Add Question button to add additional questions of various types. After adding all the questions, preview the test to ensure everything looks correct. You can save the test as a draft or publish it to a class. To publish tests, set the due date for the test, select the class, subject, and chapter to which the test will be published. Choose the students to whom the test will be assigned. You can select all students or specific students based on your preferences. You can edit assignees and due dates of the created test by clicking on the More option menu. Also, you can reassign the same test to any other class by clicking on the Reassign option. Students can access the test from the Roombr feed or the Activity menu, ensuring easy access to assigned tasks. All created tests can be managed and monitored from the Test tab within the Activity menu. Here, you can track the progress of tests, view submissions, and make any necessary adjustments as needed.
Roombr.